All right, this is followmetrades.com, Real Traders Club live session on Tuesday, April 4th, 2023. And we start, as always, take a look at the CNBC dashboard. Great place to start. Good summary of what's going on in the market and always some fun headlines. All right, market's up. S&P 500 opens higher. It looks to extend a 4-day winning streak. Well, a few ticks, 0.03%. S&P 500. 0.17, NASDAQ, a little bit more. So big news yesterday was oil. 8% spike in futures overnight, opened up about 6%. And where are we at now? 0.9 at 81.14. Well, a little pause. And what we mentioned yesterday was, 8%, 6% is a big spike in any commodity. But it was spiking up to this prior. So it wasn't like, prices went to some recent high. In fact, the recent high was $120, right? And here we got down to 70, right? So a spike is unwelcome, but not get into any kind of record territory or anything. And that looks like a pretty significant resistance level at this point. If it goes through that, then could be something different. But that's oil, and it's kind of flattening off. Oh, the Dow just went red, so the headline is no longer accurate. So long they leave it up. Jamie Dimon, banking crisis is not over. Will cause repercussions for years to come. Well, he's a banker. He knows more about it than me. But I still question the whole crisis thing. Everything I've read is pretty localized. And that's, the big news. Not a lot of other stuff going on. Well, Finland is in NATO now. I don't think that's moving the market. Good for them. Economic calendar. JOLTS, job openings, is coming out. Should be out now. Let's refresh this. There it is. Forecast 10.45. Oh, came in below 9.93. And we do have the employment report later this week, Friday. We got ADP, which is a good preview. And then the actual government employment report coming out Friday. That can be market moving. And like I said yesterday, I think we are back into the real world where good news is good news, bad news is bad news. But we'll see. All right, let's look at the S&P 500 daily chart. Headlines aside, the chart is the reality. This is what's going on in the market. All right, zoom in a little bit, get rid of some of these lines. I was doing some work yesterday. Yeah, clean it up. All right, so this has been quite a run as it broke out of this pyramid, popped out and then boom, 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 boom. And it's up now, so continuing. Doesn't go straight up. There'll be a pullback. But this looks, like we said yesterday, like potentially wave 5, bullish wave 5. If we, just to recap that, if you weren't here, here's wave 3, big, huge move up, big correction into the perfect correction zone. And why don't we just mark that, just so you see it. Right, the expected retracement zone after a run like that was between these green lines, made it right into it. And now high, higher, low, high, higher, low, heading higher. So the technical forecast here is more highs. Here we go. Zoom back in. All right, won't go straight. Could be a little choppy. And, new information could come out, change everything. But right now, it's looking like we're in the next bullish phase over time. And that's really all we got to say about the overall market. Again, banking news is kind of receding to the background. Oil is the big news. And, we got earnings season. How far off till earnings season kicks off? There's a couple bellwether companies, Alcoa, Fastenal. They would signal the beginning, April 13th. Week and a half till earnings kicks off. And that will, of course, set a tone for the market. All right, so that is the overview. Let's go ahead and stop that segment.